Hello friends, so in this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord bot. So let's get started. Okay, first open your browser and type Discord portal. Click on the first link. Okay, click on applications and new application. Now name your bot. I'm going to name it as Python bot. Create. Okay, now a bot has been created. Now click on bot, add bot. Okay, now some of you can't get a token, so click on reset token. Now token has been created. Now click on this on URL generator. Now click on bot and now check this permissions. Touch file, read messages, read message history. Okay, now copy this one and create a new tab and paste this. Now add this to your server. Continue, authorize. Okay, I'm a human. Okay, now go to your Discord account. Open Discord. Okay, now our bot hasn't added to the server. Now it's offline, so let's start coding now. First open a terminal and install Discord. Now import Discord. Create a variable named client discord.client. Now I'm going to create an event. Client.event client.event async. Okay, async def on ready print logged in as 0.user. Okay, now create another event client.event another async function async def on message username string message or author dot split hashtag index 0 user message string message content print username user message if message.author equal to client dot user return. Okay, now create another if statement. If user message dot lawyer equal to hi await message dot channel dot send okay hi username return. Now another if statement. User message dot lawyer equal to how are you await message dot channel dot send I'm fine. Okay, I'm fine. Return. Now another statement. User message dot lawyer equal to by await message dot channel send see you later username. And return. Okay, now go to the Discord portal and copy this token. Copy this token. Okay, client dot on. Now paste this token here. Now let's see how this bot works. Okay, now let me say hi. Okay, address option call ignoring exception in on message. Okay, what's the error here? Okay, so here you should give an argument message. Now let's run this again. Okay, now let me say hi again. Okay, hi NaviDGP. Bye. Yeah, it's working good. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.